What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and today I'm going to be talking about the 1943 steel pennies. So if you don't know, in 1943, the U.S. issued the steel penny because they needed copper for the war, World War II to be exact. They needed the copper, so they made these instead. The steel look is actually a result of the mint, the U.S. Mint, using a zinc coating. So guys, if you come across any of these, if they're in really good condition, they could be worth, hundreds of dollars after getting them graded. These right here are only worth a couple bucks, but they're still in really good condition, and they're always a cool collection piece. It's a great conversation. So I definitely recommend trying to get your hands on some of these. You might be able to find some on eBay, maybe even OfferUp. But how you know that they're steel is you will take a magnet and it'll pick it up like such. So the 1943 steel penny. Now, if you find any copper 1943 pennies, you are going to want to hold on to those because those are worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. Because they made them steel for 1943. If you find copper ones, it was an accident. It was not supposed to be created. So yeah, guys, that's your lesson for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.